Welcome back everyone. Now, as I have promised that we are going to learn something new in the extrinsic and intrinsic semiconductor, let me tell you something very much interesting. You have seen something like if I say Al plus, and how many electrons are there? Mark it in your mind. And something like Na plus, how many electrons are there? And something like let's say magnesium Mg2 plus. Well, that's enough. So what are your answers? Number of electrons that I have asked. So number of electrons is actually 13, but 13 minus 1 because we have removed one electron here, so 12 electrons are there. And this one 11 electrons are there, but we have removed one electron, so we are left with the 10 electrons, and it has achieved the noble gas classification either. It has 12 electrons and we have removed 2 electrons, as you can see here, so we have 10 electrons. So what is all this about? This is what we know, right? So the positive charge, what do you understand with the positive charge? This is my real question, because the positive means about the protons. It do not tend about protons, because we are not losing or gaining protons. We are actually not even studying the nucleus. We are studying the surface, and at the surface the electron do exist. Nucleus is at the core of it, at the core of any kind of the atom that you take. So, and technically when we study the nucleus, it comes in the nuclear chemistry part, so or nuclear physics part. So we do not have that. So what this positive sign actually indicate? Let me tell you this thing. So imagine the electron is here right now and orbiting around the nucleus. So this is something very much good, and you can consider the negative charge here because electron carry the negative charge. Now in the next moment, let me tell you something different, that in the same one, I'm just drawing the second figure to make you a better understanding and give you a better understanding of this. Electron is missing somehow, or you can say the electron is getting excited, or due to just anything electron got out. So what is here? The effect of the nucleus is everywhere, as we all know about this thing. The effect of nucleus do not go anywhere, it stays everywhere, everywhere. Okay, enough. Okay, so what is all about? The negative charge is not here to counter that positive charge, so we consider here as positive, but it is about the absence of electrons. The key word here is absence of electron is positive charge, so we cannot call it as protons, right? So let's call it hole. I know you call it as cation and anion and all that such thing, but that we are not going to use. We are going to use the word hole here, because hole tells us about the electron's absence. Electron is not there. It came out from the orbit, and when it goes out from the orbit, that we call as hole or the vacancy. That is the requirement. It works for both conductor and semiconductors, and we are going to explore more things about a deeper level of investigation in the intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductor, and slowly we are going to enter in the world that is going to help you in your high school mastery C things. So enough bragging. See you in the next one. Take care. God bless.